March 2019, paper 2, variant 2. Question 1 is cancelled. Micrometer screw gauge has been removed. An object is moving with a uniform deceleration. Which statement describes this motion? Uniform deceleration. Does it mean that the rate of change of speed decreases? No, this is wrong. Why? Because the rate of change of speed by itself means deceleration or acceleration. Rate of change of speed, it means deceleration or acceleration. So this is basically saying that the deceleration is decreasing or that the acceleration is decreasing, which is wrong because he said that you have a uniform deceleration. The only correct answer would be that the speed is decreasing. The graph shows how the speed of the car varies during the part of its journey. Can I find the acceleration between 6 and 10? Can I take 2 points and find the slope? Yes, the slope would be y2 minus y1, 15 minus 10, over x2 minus x1, 10 minus 6. So 5 over 4, which is 1.25 meters per second. The gravitation field strength on the moon is less than that on Earth. Which of these is different when done on the moon compared when done on the Earth? The gravitational potential energy gained by a stone lifted through the same vertical height. What is gravitational potential energy? It is mgh, right? mgh. So it depends on the gravitational field strength. So would it differ on the moon? Yes, it would differ. It would be much less on the moon. A mass is the mass of the full bottle is 1.3 kilograms. When exactly half of the oil is used, the remaining is 0.9 kilograms. What is the mass of the empty bottle? Can I find the mass of the empty bottle? Yes, I can do that. How so? When you removed half of the mass, the reading changed from 1.3 to 0.9. So the reading changed from 1.3 to 0.9, giving you a difference of 0.4 kilograms. What is 0.4 kilograms? This is half of the mass of the oil, right? Half of the oil. Can I remove the remaining half? Can I remove this remaining half? Yes, I can remove this remaining half because if half of the oil is 0.4, then the other half is also 0.4, indicating that if you subtract 0.9 minus 0.4, so the remaining mass of the empty bottle would be 0.5 kilograms. You have to remove the remaining half, okay, the remaining mass of the oil. A solid ball has a volume of 4 centimeters cubed. The density of the ball is 1.6 centimeters. What is the mass of the ball? Density equals mass over volume, so mass equals density times volume. 4 times 1.6 is 6.4 grams. The extension load graph, the unstretched length is 15 centimeters. When an unknown object is suspended, the length becomes 16.4. What is the weight? First of all, I need to find the extension. The extension would be equal to 16.4 minus 15, which is 1.4 centimeters. From the graph, you need to draw a line from the 1.4 mark. So at the 1.4 mark, if you draw a horizontal line until it reaches the graph, you'd find that the weight is 3.5 newtons. Question 8. Box of mass 2 kilograms is pulled across a floor by a force of 6 newtons. There is a frictional force of 1 newtons. What is the acceleration of the box? Can I find the acceleration? Yes. Force equals ma. What is the resultant force on the box? The resultant force is not 6 and it's not 1. It's 6 minus 1, which is 5. 6 minus 1, which is 5. This is the resultant force acting on the box. So acceleration would be equal to force over mass. 5 over 2, which is 2.5 meters per second squared. Which body has a resultant force acting on it? A dive rising vertically through water at a constant speed. Constant speed? So no, vertically is not changing his direction. Aircraft circling an airport at a constant speed. So if it's circling the airport, there is a resultant force, or when there's a resultant force, in which direction towards the center of the rotation. So this is the only case in which there is a resultant force acting on this object. A constant force acts on a body causing the momentum. Which expression relates the force to the momentum? Force the definition of force. What is the definition of force? It's the rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum, or basically the change in momentum divided by the time. Change in momentum divided by the time. Impulse, right? Impulse is force times time, which is equal to the change of momentum. A car of mass 1,500 kilograms has a speed of 20 meters per second, accelerates until it has a speed of 20 meters per second. What is the increase in the kinetic energy? Can I find the increase in the kinetic energy? Not the final, not the initial, the difference between them. Yes, the difference between them would be half mv squared minus half mv squared. So half times 1,500. Final velocity is 25 squared minus half times 1,500 times 20 squared. Again, we're talking about huge numbers, so it's okay. The value would be around 170,000 joules. Which source of energy uses the production of steam? Production of steam. Do we produce steam in hydroelectric? No. Nuclear? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Because we boil the water until it becomes steam, rotates the turbine. A car traveling on a straight horizontal road has 1.6 megajoules of kinetic energy. It accelerates for 20 seconds until it has 2.5 megajoules of kinetic energy. What is the average power output? Can I find the power output? Yes, power would be used to increase. Used to increase. So basically, I want to find the difference in the kinetic energy. The difference in the kinetic energy. Difference would be 2.5 minus 1.6 megajoules, right? 2.5 minus 1.6 megajoules, which is times 10 to the power of 6 divided by 20 seconds. This will give you 45,000 watts. 45,000 watts, or basically 45 kilowatts. Which diagram has the least pressure? The least pressure exerted would be B, because you've increased the area in contact. 15 is cancelled. 16, gas molecules exert pressure when they collide with the walls of container. Which statement is correct? They experience a change in force. Change in force? No, they experience a change in momentum, which exerts a pressure equal to force over area. Is pressure equal to force over area? No, it's force over area, not force times area. 17 is cancelled. 18. A 1 kilogram block of aluminum requires more thermal energy to raise its temperature. More thermal energy. This means that it has a higher specific heat capacity, right? It has a higher specific heat capacity than copper. It doesn't have to do with the conduction. 4 campers are warming their food. Which material is the best choice to prevent their hands from getting too hot? The rod. It should be a non-metal. It has to be a non-metal, an insulator. Okay. Question 22. Metal cans are identical except that one has a shiny silver outer surface and the other has a dull black surface. They each have 300 grams of water at 80 degrees sealed inside them. They are both in vacuum in the darkness of outer space. How does the temperature of the water in each one change? How does the temperature of the water in each one change? They will both lose energy due to infrared radiation. The shiny silvered one will have a lesser rate of losing this energy, right? Neither one will cool down. This is wrong. The water in the black one cools more slowly. No, actually, the water in the shiny can cools more slowly. Yes. Which labeled section represents a wave front? A wave front would be C, not B. Why? Because B is the wave length. A is the direction of these waves. D is the barrier. D is just the barrier. So B is the wavelength. 22. A vibrating object produces ripples. It completes 20 vibrations every second. The spacings is 3 centimeters. What is the speed? Speed equals wavelength times frequency. Can I find the frequency? Yes, frequency equals the number of waves over the time. 20 over 1, which is 20 hertz. And now you have the spacing from one crest to the other is 3 centimeters, which is the wavelength. So you have frequency and the wavelength. Speed equals wavelength times frequency. 3 times 20, which is 60 centimeters per second. Narrow beam of light is traveling through the transparent liquid. The refractive index is 1.5. What is the angle of refraction as it enters the air? Can I find the angle of refraction? Yes, if you have the refractive index, n equals sine air over sine medium. You need to find sine air, so sine air would be equal, or air would be equal to sine inverse sine medium times the n, or 1.5 times sine 40. Okay, sine inverse 1.5 times sine 40. This will give you a value of 75. Again, you can cancel out a and b instantly because the angle of refraction has to be greater. The angle of refraction in the air has to be greater than the angle of incidence in the medium. Which diagram completely or correctly represents rays of light passing through a converging lens in a camera? In a camera, what happens to the image? You have a real image, it's an inverted image, and it has to be a smaller image. Camera produces a smaller image. So B and D are wrong. Why? Because the image is upright. C is wrong because the image is greater, is larger. It's enlarged. It's wrong. It has to be a smaller, it has to be a diminished image. What is the speed of X-rays in vacuum and air? 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. A sound wave passes a point, the air pressure at that point increases and then decreases 300 times every second. Which which descriptions apply to this sound wave? Sound wave, is it a longitudinal or is it a transverse wave? We know that it is a longitudinal wave. Frequency, what is the frequency? 300 times per second, 300 hertz. Can we hear this frequency? Yes, we can. It is within the limits. A boy stands 150 meters away from the wall. He claps a hand. When he hears the echo, he immediately claps again. He continues this for some time. Another student has a stopwatch. She starts the stopwatch on the first clap and stops on the 11th clap. The watch reads 10 seconds. Which value do her measurements give for the speed of the sound in air? She starts on the first clap and stops on the 11th clap, meaning that she had 10 claps, right? 10 claps and the time was 10 seconds. 10 claps and the time was 10 seconds. So the average time between each clap is what is 1 second, right? First clap, 11th clap, so you have 10 claps, right? 10 claps. And the total time for these 10 claps is what? Is 10 seconds. So each clap had a time of 1 second, right? Each clap had a time of 1 second. Can I find the speed? Yes, the speed. This is an echo. So basically, speed equals 2 distance over time, right? Because this is an echo. So you'd say 2 distance over time. 2 times 150 over the time, which is 1 second. This speed would be 300 meters per second. The ends of 3 metal rods are tested by holding Q, okay, close to the others in turn. Q, when it is near R, it attracts. Near S, it attracts. Near T, it attracts. But near U, it repels you. Which of the metal rods is a magnet? When it repels you, this means that both objects are magnets, right? Because both objects would have the same pole, right? Both objects would have the same pole, so north and north, or south and south, both of them would have the same poles. So only the two only magnets, not magnetic materials. Actually, rod 2 is a magnetic material. Rod 2 is an iron bar. Rod 2 is an iron bar. Well, rod 3 is a permanent magnet. It's a magnetized steel bar. So it is a permanent magnet. So the two magnets are what? Are 1 and 3. On 1 and 3. A metal sphere is charged by induction. This question is wrong. It's not wrong. I'm sorry. It has been removed. Has been removed. Which electrical quantity is defined in terms of energy supplied in driving charge around a complete circuit? The voltage or the electromotive force? What is the circuit diagram for this arrangement? So you have the battery, okay, and then you have one lamp on its own and two lamps in parallel. One lamp on its own, then two lamps in parallel. So it is A. Which circuit does the lamp light? Okay, it's not that hard. It's not that difficult at all. In A, it wouldn't pass. In B, it wouldn't pass. In C, it does pass. So it is C. That's easy. Each potential divider is placed in a circuit with a power supply. Which potential divider makes the potential difference across component Y? The potential difference across component Y increase. We want the voltage to increase when the light intensity increases, when the brightness increases. Okay, so we're talking about an LDR. When the light increases, we know that as the brightness increases, so for example, let's cancel out C and D. For example, if we're talking about A, if the brightness increases in X, then the resistance would decrease and the voltage would also decrease. Therefore, the voltage in Y would increase, right? The voltage in Y would increase. In B, if we talk about B, this is actually the correct answer. If we talk about B, in Y, what happens? The brightness increases. So the resistance decreases and the voltage decreases. We want the voltage or we want the potential difference in Y. We want the potential difference in Y to increase and not decrease. 34 is cancelled. 35, the current in a kettle is 10 amps. It's protected by 13 fuse ampere. 13 amp fuse ampere. The owner of the kettle replaces the 13 amp with a 3 amp fuse. What happens when the kettle is switched on? So the kettle wants 10 amps of current, right? What happens when you switch it on? The fuse will automatically blow up, right? The fuse will automatically melt because of the high current. So the fuse melts and the kettle might be damaged. Will the kettle be that? No, the kettle won't switch on at all. At all. No, this is wrong. So actually, the fuse melts and the kettle is undamaged. Yes, the kettle is undamaged. You need a 13 fuse amp, 13 amp fuse. You cannot use a 3 amp fuse. Which statement about the direction of a magnetic field at a point is correct? Magnetic field has to do with what? Magnetic field has to do with the direction of the force on the North Pole. Direction of the force on North Pole placed at that point, yes. North Pole usually of a small compass. A current carrying coil is placed in the magnetic field. What effect does this coil experience? This coil it starts to rotate. This is a simple electric motor. What are isotopes of an atom? Isotopes are same element with different number of neutrons. Same element with different number of neutrons. What is the value of X and Y? So carbon, okay, Y is -1, and this has to be 6, right? 6 and -1. A beta particle is a fast-moving electron. Which statement explains how beta particles are emitted from an atom? An electron is emitted as a beta particle from an inner shell. No, doesn't have to do with the shells. A neutron changes into a proton and a beta particle is emitted from the nucleus. Yes, this is the correct answer.